Straight away, struggling to do the voice now. Oh my god! Wow, that is really bad. Wow, I didn't think I could breathe then. That was disgusting. Making my eyes water. That. Whoa, I need a bath now. That's it. That's a similar challenge. Done it. Never again. Oh my god. That was disgusting. Keep the challenges coming in. Keep the challenges coming in, and I'll do as many as I can. Dude, see my back of my throat's just dry. Thanks for that. Nearly killed me. Keep sending your challenges in, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye. Oh yeah. That's really hot. I only licked it a little bit. That is hot. Right, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. These duff. They're pretty warm. Wow. They're really pretty warm.
They're warm. They're warm. They're warm. It's not going. Help me! Help me! Help! I can't get out. I've had one. It's not open. Help! Help me!
Oh my god, that is the worst.
I'm not crying.
Wow, that is really bad. I can't do the voice.
Can't do it. That is really bad. So bad. That's the worst. Oh my god. Oh, but that brought all the heat up.
It's calming down now. Do another one. Can't get any hotter, can it? No!
No! No! Oh my god.
That is the worst pain ever. Can't do it.
No.
Nope. Get them away from me. Do not try that at home. Promise me. Promise me. That is the hottest thing it's like licking the sun. I ate one. Tried to do another one. Couldn't do it. It just keeps coming back up. I'm like, burning my mouth. Right, I've done the challenge. I'm going to spend the rest of the night crying. That is the worst pain ever. Save your taste buds. Don't ever do it. I'm definitely going to put one in my Uncle Barry's tea though. Thank you so much for watching. Challenge done. I love you. See you in a bit. Bye.